Hey, and welcome back to Dr. Noah's YouTube update. And I don't know how this is going to be labeled, Nerve 2 or Oxidative Stress Update here, or Protandim. You know, lots of different types of problems that people have that we've talked about from, I just did one a couple minutes ago on Alzheimer's and other types of serious disease. This is acne. Now, acne is something that obviously is not life-threatening, but what's happening probably in the last year or so, there's lots of research going out and just kind of common experience that you might have had yourself or definitely watching children, that actually having severe acne can actually cause different types of mental illness type of conditions, depression, suicidal attempts. We'll maybe talk about that next time. Acne is something that, you know, has a lot to do with, you know, self-esteem, self-awareness, and so acne is a big deal. And so there's lots of different things out there. On my TV show we talked about Accutane, actually, which is kind of once again those tragic comedies that we come across, or I come across all the time. Accutane should never be used by anybody, especially for a woman, because right in it causes birth defects, and actually it's one of the contraindications. If you're possibility of ever having a child, you should never use it. So who uses it? Young women that can conceive. So I mean, that's how crazy this stuff is. And so my patients are always looking for natural things, and yeah, and there are great things out there that doesn't cause birth defects and cancer and other types of problems, but actually helps you look good, keeps your skin actually healthy and rejuvenated, and that's great. So once again, go with the science. Here's another scientific article here in Mediators of Inflammation, 2005, Oxidative Stress in Patients with Acne. And these drug doctors themselves state right here, our findings show that oxidative stress exists in acne patients. So if you're able to reduce your oxidative stress, and Nerve 2 activator like Protandim is able to reduce it to a baby, so that's what you want to do. It may be useful, apply at least one additional antioxidant feature to your drugs combined with the acne treatment. So here are some doctors actually said even if you use drugs, you should use an antioxidant. Another article from Indian Journal of Dermatology, oxidative antioxidant status in adolescent children, or adolescent females, and their conclusion is that nutritional factors of a weakened antioxidant defense system, which most people do have, that's why you want to strengthen that, and antioxidants are best done by what's called direct or internal type activating SOD, glutathione, catalase. These are the factors in terms of able to increase your antioxidants 1,000,000 times per second versus 1-to-1, what's called indirect, like using berries and blueberries and good food. Those are 1-to-1, a lot more effective. So another study showing that acne is important. Clinical implication of lipid peroxide in acne. This is from, where is this? Published in Biomed Central. This is from Brooklyn Medical School, no, Department of Dermatology, State University of New York, stating the same type of thing, is that the recent findings also suggest potential avenues of approach of treatment of acne using nutrients, dietary modification, oral and topical interventions. Protandim has a compound that uses the same type of Nerve 2 activated, reducing the oxidative stress topically, called True Science. So there's a great type of approach in terms of do that. But that's what's interesting, because I hear this kind of BS all the time. Oh, I went to my dermatologist and food has nothing to do with it. Well, once again, the science doesn't support that. Here are some scientists here from, once again, only from a drug institution from the state of New York, stating that dietary modifications do have an impact on that. So once again, they don't know anything because they don't read anything. And the last little thing in terms of what these Nerve 2 activators like Protandim and True Science does is, I guess there's a big craze going on of, once again, glutathione as the natural medicine for clear skin. So glutathione, the master antioxidants. This particular type of product called Protandim is only able to increase your own glutathione by 300%. The best I've ever seen anything else out there is about 30 to 40%, so 10 times, 1,000% stronger. And I guess there's a craze out there, and there's a study that was done where people are taking glutathione, which unfortunately is broken down and not utilized very well, in terms of helping, trying to maintain and beautify. There's people are injecting glutathione, dangerous, to have this kind of, you know, clear skin. Here's a natural product both topically and internally that you can use. So acne, no problem, bring it on. Let's make everybody healthy and happy. Talk to you soon. Thanks.